Okay, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to add a play button onto a image, so you can use this for various different things. I use it for putting a play button on my images for my blog, so if I want to send somebody from my blog to a YouTube video, for instance, just put the play button in the center. It's a very simple tool. You can do it in 2 clicks, and you can also use it for email. You can put an image in your email and add a play button on the image so that it sends you to a YouTube video or something like that. Okay, so we'll get straight into that in a moment. If you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel for any future videos I'm bringing out. Give me a like and give me a comment if you've got any questions. So we'll get straight on. Okay, so here we are at your free website, another free tool. It's called Add Play Button to Image.way4info.net. I'll leave the link below this video so you can access it easily. Like I say, it's a free tool and it adds these play buttons to your images for whatever reasons you want inside your email copy, so you can send people to a YouTube video from your email, or you can put it on an image on your website, and so it looks something like this. So you just click play on your blog or on your website and it'll send you to a video. Okay folks, so you can choose any of these play buttons here, and you can resize them to the size of your choice. And you can also pick the image from the web. So if you have an image uploaded on the web, you can choose one from there, or you can choose one from your computer. So for this example, I'm going to find an image from the web. I've got one here ready and waiting. So all you do is put the address in there, or find the file from your computer and click this create play button image. It just takes a few seconds to load up. And there you have it. Let's uploaded the icon there onto my thumbnail image, and you can use any one of these, any one you wish. You can change it to, let's say, that one. Just have a play about with it, you can't break anything. And let's put a red one there, and just for another example you can put the black one here. Try it out, see which one looks best. There you go, the black one. And you can alter the size of the button here. Just make sure you get your ratios correct. And then all you would do now is to click the download image, and that will store it on your computer. And that has now downloaded onto my computer. So that's it folks, really easy. Okay, it's simple, just a few clicks of your button. So there you have it folks, another awesome free tool. If you want to keep an eye out on my videos in the future for any other tools or resources I've got for you, just subscribe to my channel, give me a like, or leave me a comment in that box if you've got any questions. So until the next video I bring out, I'll see you all soon. Stay safe.